I've created this link tree so you guys know where to go. If you want to support me as a creator and send in tips and a thank you message, you can do so through the support me section. If you want to private message me about the course or the mentorship, it's through the Twitter section. Bitcoin is continuing to follow the expected path we was talking about on Monday and yesterday, reminding everyone there are 4 fundamental news events this week. Today will be the third out of the fourth, and with yesterday's price was dumping down, and when the news event actually was released, the FOMC meeting, it came back up a little bit. Now, of course, today we've completely retraced that reclaim. So we dumped and we reclaimed it, and now we've retraced that dump. So we've filled in that wick, something that I like to say a lot on the channel. We like to fill in wicks. Doesn't necessarily mean all the way. It seems as if this one will continue to try to, and we still got that fundamental news event that from current time down here it says 12. This is of course GMT, and it's going to happen at 1:30 GMT. The video might not even be out by then, but please be aware that the whole week we've been saying that, yeah, we want to see daily candle closes above this green line. Without doing so, we're heading back down to this golden pocket. Now, before we zoom into this, I need to go on the lower time frames on the 4 hour right now to zoom into this area, which we were talking about on the channel. Now, I placed my fibs from the top to the bottom over here. And I was making everyone aware when you're coming into this zone, it should be an area of a dump. It's not 100% of the time. Nothing here is 100%. We know this. But what we were saying is that the expectation is this is meant to be resistance after coming down, retracing for the continuation. So we were always prepared for the golden pocket, but you created the reversal wave by holding it support. So as you're holding it support, we should go ahead and break the 1 fib level, and you can see multiple attempts of breaking it and absolutely failing. So it means that we will return back to this gold box, and we need to hold it to head back up and break it. Of course, if we lose it, we're going back down to this area over here, this bunch of candles. Now the wick lows on the 0 fib 23,364, but yeah, we can't just focus on the wick. We've got some bodies over here. I'm going to drag it from like there down to the 0 fib and drag it across. So going forward, we know we are approaching this other larger golden pocket. If we can stay above this, as we've been saying on the channel the last few days, so what we're doing is retracing for the continuation upwards. So we're now coming down, but we're still keeping 26k, 27.5 and 29k valid. These are all still valid as long as we remain above 22,000. Doesn't mean we're going up straight away. We're still coming down, as we can see. So as long as this holds the support, we have the 4 hour 200 over there. Let's go on the daily now. Then on the daily time frame, when we look at the other larger fib, we've got the 200, the 55 and the 69 over here, all tying up very nicely with this low over here. Again, we want to stay above this gold box to continue to there. When we zoomed in on the 4 hour, we drew out this green box. So this green box tying up very nicely with our orange one, our golden one. So you can see the green box is lying on the 786, where this gold one is between the golden pocket over here. So going forward, I need to remain above this area. Yes, you can afford to lose it. Just as I explained when we zoomed in on the 4 hour over here, you are fine to lose this as long as we come down to the green and of course continue. If we lose the green box, okay, that means in the short term we're definitely not going up. Now we're dipping to the gold box basically. Of course, this is where we want to hold if we were to continue to, you know, those targets I was talking about, 26, 28k, 29k. So you need to hold this level to keep those valid. Now, yes, you are allowed to lose this. You can afford to do so. And so the level that I need to be seeing held, of course, going forward, is between the 0 fib and the 236 fib. So I've measured that from the 1 fib to 24,252 to 21,382. So those are my 2 points, 1 and 0. So you're meant to run into this as resistance to then lose the 0 and continue lower to this gold. And then that wasn't the case. The reversal wave was created. So the fact that we just continued pumping, everyone sort of forgot, okay, we never came back down to this level and confirmed it as support. So this is what the journey could be doing. A journey back down, kiss this as support, confirming that reversal wave, because we only did the first step in taking out the golden pocket. Now let's confirm its support for the continuation onwards and upwards, okay, to 26, 27, 28, 29k. Equally, if we go ahead and lose this, we can come down to the 0 fib. Now, we need to see this hold for the continuation to go back to 29k, as we've just been talking about. However, if we manage to lose 21,382, we're going to have a deeper correction where we must hold this 5-month support over here. This summer bottom that was there for we were there for 5 months. On the 5th month, we were breaking out bullish, and then FTX hit it, and we reclaimed that level. So of course, now that we are above it, we must remain above it. So yes, if we had the worst case scenario where we're losing this, we're going to come back down to here, okay? And we need to hold this at all costs to show us that this move over here was a fake out, a bear trap. So we broke down, haha, we're bearish, and then no, we're back in. So we want this all to be a bear trap. Let's confirm that by printing higher lows above these lows over here. So we have one low, we have a higher low, so we just need it to be higher than those, but in fact higher than this, because that's the level we reclaimed. So we want to be holding that area as support. So we cannot now afford to lose 17,600. So it means that we could come to there, you just can't lose it. Do you understand that? And there's no guarantee we're going down there. I've just drawn out all these levels. You need to lose all the levels. If you're not losing all the levels, you're not going down there. And I've shown you the path that it can take. It can still lose this level, come down to here, reclaim that, we're going up. It could lose both of these, come down to here, reclaim them, and then we're going up. Do you understand that? There's so much more to it than, oh, we're just going to 29k. No, we're still coming down, okay? We're still coming down. We need to actually show it. We need us to be shown that we are going up. And at the moment, there's no signs of going up. Right now, we're coming back down on the lower time frames, on the 4 hour. So yeah, still looking for that continuation. At the moment, yes, we are above the green. So this is going to give us further opportunities of trying to reclaim this so we can head quickly to our targets. But again, lose this green box. And then, yeah, we know our 2 other key levels of support. I'd really and truly like to hold above this, because it means in the short term, we should just come down to that and continue up. If we lose this, then it's making it, it's longing out the process, but equally, you could invalidate the upside if we come down to here and lose it. Now, if you want me to teach you this, if you're struggling with the markets, I have 3 options. So with both, here's one of them. With both the mentorship and the course, you get my chat. Now, there's 70 people in there every day sharing trades every day. There's people sharing trades and giving investment ideas. I've put the bunch of cryptos that I want, that I'm getting into in there as well. And 2 of them have pumped 100% this week. So on 2 cryptos, we've doubled our money this week alone. And now, if you want to take action, there's a link to my Linktree. You need to hit the Linktree link in the pinned comment section, in the description and the pinned comment section. Just hit that link to my Linktree where you can support me as a creator, or you simply just hit that Twitter link and you can private message me on my Twitter. Whether you want to do the 10 hours of mentorship with me, you get, again, the chat included, as well as the course included, the 6-hour long course, 30 plus videos, or you can just take the course, guys. But yeah, with both options, the chat is included where we share what we're doing in the market. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I'll catch you in the next Bitcoin update. And please do like, subscribe, and comment so we can hit 10k as quick as we can. Thank you, guys.